they've backed off as well, but this driver continues to drive very recklessly.
This guy's crazy, chat.
Another red light out there. At least there wasn't a lot of traffic.
Okay, so to be clear, you're saying they've backed off, meaning at this moment, do we have any police cruisers following this guy, or are we just observing to see what his next move is going to be?
We are just observing. It almost might be what we call a media pursuit, meaning we're following it, we're keeping an eye on it. But as far as law enforcement down there, I would venture to say that they have actually backed off. I'm doing a wider shot right now, and I know that this department
This is crazy.
doesn't have any kind of air.
This dude's been in pursuit for eons, dude.
So they don't have.
Nobody's doing nothing.
There is no.
Jesus. Well, that's a crazy one. Yeah, today we're working on some more combat. Sorry there's no cam, guys. I'm still a little sick and I got pink eye, so what do you guys think of the VFX? It's alright, I think. I want them to be chunkier, bigger. I was working on that all day. This is the texture. Trying to work out this combo, or not combo, just like a clean transition. And I'm trying to use animation montages to do it. So that's kind of the that's the rigmarole for today. So so right now we have two different animation montages. I tried one single one, and I don't know, it just felt a little weird. It was hard to transition between the two. I'm definitely, now that we have two montages, it's a little bit easier to transition between the both. Right? Beforehand, it would play the animation, and I had it set up that, you know, if you swiped, then the next animation would, or the next instance, or the part of the animation would play, but it wasn't looking clean. I see you finally awakened. I've been awakened. I just, cleaning off my eye, spraying antibiotics in my eye, and wanting to cry. Just dabbing it, keeping it healed, or not healed, keeping the pus from coming. I don't know. It's been annoying. But yeah, here's kind of the idea today. We want this to transition smoothly. I also got the animation looking a little bit cleaner when it comes to the upper portions of Judah. But we still want this, right? We still want the feet to look a little bit cleaner. Also, you know, we still have this issue where you can look towards the camera. So we're going to have to fix that at some point. As well as if you go too quick, this is what you get. Right? So I've never worked with these before. It's going to be an interesting day. It looked good. Thank you, man. It looked all right. We're going to make it look a lot better when it's finished. Or at least try to. Also, with how much he can swipe, you know, it's like I'm going to have to add some form of stamina into this. But that'll be at a later date, and it's going to be very simplified. It's not going to be crazy. It's not going to be crazy by any means. So how's everyone doing today? How's everyone doing today? I don't like how it doesn't carry. We'll definitely have to do something for when you're in the air. We do want some pterodactyls at some point. Cheese? Eye cheese from Pink Eye? You weirdo? Is that what you're talking about, Chase? Oh, you're eating dinner. Don't tell me it's Greg's. Don't tell me it's Greg's. By the way, guys, big shout out to everyone. Much love to all of you guys. We are now at 300 concurrent subscribers. Let's try to pick that up to 500, right? We're trying to hit 500 by June and 1,000 by the end of this year. If we can get to both of those margins beforehand, that'd be awesome. But I appreciate all the support and love each one of you. We are going to have a devlog soon. Although I might just make a quick one, and then when I get the combat finished, I'll make like a really intricate one for everybody to watch. But right now, I've been struck with an illness for almost, 2 to 3 weeks. I went from being sick to having pink eye. It's also spring break, so the kids are at home, so I can't, it's never quite enough really for me to be able to record myself talking. So I am now your 300th subscriber. Dude, you want to be like my first subscriber, bro. Don't unsubscribe and resubscribe. You don't want that. You don't want that, dude. You want to be like, what if I have some plan where I'm like the 300th subscriber, or like the first 300 subscribers are they get something cool. What if I got a plan like that, bro? Also, let's go ahead and play some music. Synthendo. Come on, man. You always play Synthendo. It's, you know,
I met with the
Synthendo.
expert because
Who doesn't like Nintendo, but in synthwave form? God will protect me. No doubt. No doubt. Something you gotta scream and shout. But I'm gonna turn this down. This is way too loud for me. My little head cannot fathom such intricate melodies and drum patterns at a high level right now. But look, I just sit here and do this. So how? It's like we gotta stop registering. We gotta stop registering the swipes. So it's like before all of this, we need to figure out if any montage is playing. And I'm thinking and I'm considering that, hear me out, I'm considering embezzling all of this in here. Too bad this does not return. This doesn't return a montage, right? We can return the montage instances and then for each through each of them, and then from there see which specific one is playing. Oh, get current active montage. Look at that. Look at that. By the way, shout out to Chase Lee being the #1 supporter of this channel and all that we do. He's here every single day, even when the world is not colorful and gray. By the way, that's a bad rhyme. Don't judge me off that rhyme, okay? Did you watch the video I sent you? It might help with animation. Yeah, I'll watch that when I really sit down and try to nail some animation. The difference between mine and his is kind of all standstill. A lot of his stuff is upper body. So you're not really paying attention to the feet too much, it looks like, from what I've watched. And the issue with mine is I need something that looks well, so we might have to change the idle pose and everything, or have like some attack stance. But animinstance.get montage, get active montage. So what? Why is there two? Get current, get active. First active one it finds, and this does the same one. Come on. Montage instance ID. Why wouldn't we just post like a montage with the name? I mean, I guess I could check if any montage is playing. I mean, we also have is montage, what is it? Montage. Right, and then you could feed that. But the thing here is we don't really care. We don't really care about which one is currently playing. I mean, I guess we do, but we don't really care in this particular part of the code. We just want to make sure if there's something playing, right? If any montage is playing, let's do this and see how that affects it. Obviously, I'm thinking we're not going to be able to attack. Man. Ooh, actually, this is wrong. We want to do this. If no montage is playing, and we're gonna want to play a montage. Obviously, a lot of this is we're gonna want to change this, but let's just add that there, redo some stuff, and say else. Just a bunch of if. I hate that. By the way, guys, this is gonna be a short stream. It is going to be a very short stream. I'm just trying to stream to let you guys know I'm still working on the project. I still exist. Check it out. Right? So, if there is a montage playing, okay. Sorry, I'm trying to think. Let's just get rid of all this. Let's get rid of all this. Alright, let's get rid of all this. And you're thinking like, why are you getting rid of all this? I'm gonna get rid of all this. So currently just to kind of give you guys an idea why I'm moving in this direction. I learned a little thing about Windows. Right? So in here, I have a montage notify. Hold on, my brother's calling me, chat. Let me pick this up. Sorry about that little intermission. Younger brother called. Family takes priority, chat. Remember that. But yeah, if we're not playing a montage, we're going to want to play a montage. We don't really need to check for these because this is going to be the idea. Is that if we're not playing a montage, we're going to play the right montage or the right swipe. And then if we are playing a montage, we're going to get the current montage. Right? We're going to get the current montage. We're going to see if we swiped during the attack window. We're going to see what montage, or I guess we already have that, get current montage, and then do the opposite. And then we're going to have to find out a lot of other things. For instance, we're going to have to take into consideration maybe stopping a montage and blending in one another. So it's all going to be about what the controls feel like to me. And that's what I'm going to really base all of this logic around. I didn't know that combat was this in depth. So it's nice to gain this experience because now I think anything that I design in the future is going to have and hold a lot of aptitude. No, I did not delete the SpongeBob meme channel. Where was the SpongeBob meme channel? Right now, it was under the 10K. Well, tell me if you can find it. Or actually look in the logs to see if someone deleted it. No, someone deleted the channel at 12:22 or 12:12 today. I think it was a meme. Because I didn't delete it. Someone did delete it today, though. That's going to be an issue because I said that you could have that meme channel. So, yeah. You can go ahead and make it again if you want, because I think everyone likes SpongeBob. And I feel like it'd be a fun channel to have. I don't know. Plus, I think you got a good eye for... what's the word? I think you have a good sense of humor. And essentially, if you think it's a good idea, then it most likely is. But, yeah. I'm going to get back to the code. Discord happenings aside. By the way, guys, you can join the Discord. Link is in the description of this video. It's in the description on Twitch, and it's my top pinned tweet on X. So go ahead and follow it there if you haven't already. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. All of it is highly appreciated. We're still a young, growing, independent studio, and all the support counts. Thank you, Chase Lee, for posting that. Yeah, you can click that link too if you don't want to. Oh, also, by the way, guys, we do have Patreon. If you're looking to, you know, support in a more financial way. If you're not, that is completely fine. But, you know, If you feel like a calling to do greater than that, then do so. Get current montage. So we need to get the active montage. I'm feeling like I need to create an actual... I need to create a script here. I need to create a script here, I believe. Although I'm trying to figure out, because we do have, if you notice, we do have like an anim instance here. If we get access to the instance or the animation instance, we can get the current active montage. But there could be multiple montages playing at the same time, so we might want to be very specific. We might want to say, we might want to do a for each loop that runs through maybe a list of montages. Let's see, what was it here that I saw? We have a montage instances class. Montage instances. Right? So we could do these checks ourselves using the animation instance. But let's see. Do I want to do that in base player? In the base player character? Most likely. I'm trying to move as much as I can to... Yeah, I think that we'll do that, because that's... We might want other characters to have access to this, even enemies. Even enemies. By the way, thank you all for being here, guys. Much love and appreciation. I know I don't have the cam on today, but I got pink eye and I'm not trying to show the world my bacterial eye infection. So we appreciate you. But, nice dancing. Let's go ahead and create a anim montage. I believe that's what it is, right? Yeah, it's a U anim montage. I want to return a montage. I guess there's a reason they're not doing multiple, so maybe I don't want to do that. This is a big rigmarole, my bro. My bros. Where did it go? I wish it would bring them up right to the, like, the side of them. We're definitely going to have to do some checking here. And who knows, this might change in the future, to be quite frank. Because I'm not, at this point, I'm not really thinking about all the other characters that could be involved with this. Rev up those fryers. This boy's ready to cook. Yeah, I guess we could return a... Could 2 animation montages be playing at the same time? Really? I'm just failing to understand when that could be the issue. I'm failing to understand when that could be a thing, right? We have our current montage. I know I'm making this probably a lot more difficult than it needs to be. We do need to get the current montage, though. Instance.get current active montage. We'll just write this out in here, and then I'll refactor it into a function later. If animation on montage get current equals, you know, swipe attack right. And it's curious here because, we want to play the left in the instance that it's playing the right. We'll start off with this. Boys and girls. So I mean, I guess we could say we know what's going to play based on whether we're swiping right. B is right swipe, so we'll do false. Right? Me. Yeah, let's do this. BRB. All right, sorry, I forgot something, and that's why I was like, oh man, I'm gonna run back, take care of something really quick. If there's no montage playing, else if there is. I guess the other else scenario we want to look for is he's back. Yeah. Also, sorry, I'm talking on Discord. If you have mods, just go to Mod Talk. We'll have a conversation in there from now on.
Bowser?
Could the west be cut in the? Could the west be cut and then put in the thing?
What, sweetheart?
Um.
What? Tell me.
Cut up the lettuce.
Cut up the lettuce? What do you need it for?
I don't know.
No, I can't. I got pink eye, sweetie. I don't want to touch any food. I don't want to get you sick. Like, making you like, grabbing you something quick, that's easy, but I don't want to get you sick. Sorry about that, guys. Yo, it's Owl. Hello, Owl. Yeah. Well, I'm concerned because I got pink eye. I'm like, my mom wants me to like make food tonight, and I'm like, I got pink eye. I don't think anyone wants me making food. And I was like, I told her, I said, if you were getting a burger from, I don't know, like McDonald's or something, and you knew the guy making your burger had pink eye, would you eat it? And she goes, yes, I would. And I was like, no, you wouldn't. Why are you're not stuck as Yoda, Chaseley? What makes you think you're stuck as Yoda? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, dude. I was mad about that. His eyes all clean too, and he's got more antibiotics. So I was like, "Can I have him?" And she was like, "No, he needs to finish them all." I was like, "What the heck, dude? He doesn't even have pink eye anymore." So now I'm stuck spraying this antibacterial stuff into my eye. Nah, he's fine. I'm not mad at him. So I want to see how this goes. Right now, the way it's set up, if this is this should be the left. All right, hold up. I'll be right back, guys. Hey guys, I have a quick question, everyone. Does everyone here agree that cooking food with pink eye for other people who don't have pink eye sounds like a severely bad idea?
There is nothing that says that you can't do it.
I just want
That's not
everyone's
how you
I
get
just
it.
want everyone's opinion here. Does everyone think that cooking pink eye for people
Cooking pink eye.
who cooking pink eye, yeah.
It says to wash your hands. Thoroughly wash your hands.
I'm not going to cook food for everyone.
We don't have the money to buy food, Raleigh.
Oh,
and all you have to
oh
do
my
is help
gosh.
me cut it up. Help me cut it up, throw it in the pot thing.
It's bad. I think it's a bad idea.
It's not
yeah,
a bad idea.
it spreads. All right, guys. Well, we're all gonna have pink eye tomorrow. I'll talk to you all later. I gotta go cut up some food because, you know, that's more important than what I'm doing right now. I'll have you.